Hello, this is Sally Gonzalez, and today we receive a call for a Admiral Washer machine that is making an awful noise. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test it by pulling the knob right here. Yeah, and as you can listen, it does make an awful noise. So if you want to know how to fix this issue, stay with us and continue watching the video. So the first steps that we must do is to disconnect the power source. Also, disconnect the drainage. Close the water valve. Close it, and then just disconnect the hose that is connected to the washer machine right here on the back. The tools that we're going to require in order to remove on the back of the washer machine is going to be pliers and a 5/16 screwdriver. You can have these tools in any set, but usually it's only 5/16 and the pliers. We have a access door on the back side of the washer machine. There are only 3 screws that would need to be removed in order to take off this cap that has right there. For this kind of symptom, when it makes this kind of noise, there are several reasons why it does it. It's either because of the transmission that is damaged, or on the bearings that support, or it could be the water pump, also the bearings. So you can know if it's the tub if it has a leak, but we see here that's pretty much dry, so we're good. So the most probable thing is going to be the water pump. So we're going to replace this, and for that we're going to need the 3/8 screw to remove the screws that also are attached here supporting the water pump, and the pliers to remove the oppressors that are right here, these 2. So you just need to press this with the pliers and slide it to the back. They're a bit tight, but it's gonna leak some water. Same thing goes for the other one. Just need to tighten it up. And let's go pull it up. There. That's it. Then we start removing the screws. Next step is to move the washer machine forward so that we can have access to the belt and remove it. This is quite simple. And that way we can take out the water pump. As you can see here, it is definitely the water pump, because that metal that's right there should be inside the pulley. Right now it's already was pushed out, so that's what's making the noise. So we'll just need to replace it for a new one. We went and purchased a new water pump. Now be careful, because there are 2 types In this case, we bought it similar to the original. And as you can see, this one doesn't have that metal outside of the pulley. Another thing is that this is a good quality water pump because it has a metal base, and there's lower quality. There's a lower quality water pump that it's all plastic. So those made of plastic last just a couple of months, maybe around a year. And with this, they're a little bit more expensive, but the quality is better, and we're talking about a couple of years of normal use. So there's 3 holes for each screw. We're gonna put it again back, same order. You can feel it when it assembles back in within the holes in the washer machine. So again, we're gonna just replace those screws with our 3/8 drive. Right there. Same procedure as removing it, just on the opposite. And then we will proceed to install the hoses again. With our pliers. Make sure that they're tight so that it secures the water pump in place. There. Just making sure that all 3 are tight. We insert the hose. Right there. You can feel the bump when it gets in. Then you release the pressure. Same thing goes for the other hose. Move down so it does watertight seal. Still needs to go a little bit more down. Last step is to put the belt back. Motor pulley is the one that can be moved. So you can start by the small pulleys, then grab the larger one, and that would be it. Down. Now it's time for test it. But first we'll just replace this cap on and do the testing. So we'll replace the 3/8 drive for the 5/16. Replace that. Time for the truth reveal, and we'll replace the back cover. So we're gonna test it first. We plug it again, and we turn on the knob again. There it is, just like magic. Just replacing the water pump, and we have fixed the noise that it was making. So now we can reconnect everything, put it back in its place. As all professional, you must clean your working area So now that you have moved, well, you can clean up and put the washing machine back again in its place. Once now it's clean. Before reconnecting the hose to the water supply, we must check that the filter is not dirty, it's not clogged, and as we can see here, it is filled with debris, so we must wash it first with a small brush and then reinstall it again. And pretty much that's it. Another step that must take into account is washer machine must be leveled. So you do that by adjusting the height of the front, those small legs. You can adjust it with your plier also, just unscrewing it or screwing it back so it doesn't move. Once it's tight, just final cleaned up. Open the top and you're done. So pretty much this is how a clean work ends. Model numbers on the upper right part of the washer machine. You replug, connect again the drainage, water supply, make sure there's no leaks. You level it and you're good to go. Just wait for the customer to test the washer and we'll be done. If you like this video, remember to subscribe at the bottom, El Mundo de Dash Varela. Just hit like, and we'll give you some more videos if you like and help you out. This is Ali Gonzalez, and happy to help you.